In this video, I will show you how to add a responsive Owl Carousel to your Blogger website. This carousel on the homepage helps you to draw the reader's attention to featured anime or manga of the site. If you want this unique slider for your homepage, just follow these simple steps. Click the link in the video description to get the code. Before I continue, please like and subscribe to my channel. Before we can set up Owl Carousel widget, it's recommended to back up your old theme data before installing the new code, so that anything goes wrong, you still have your backup file to help you restore. How to back up your current theme. To access backup or restore, on your Blogger dashboard, navigate to the theme section. Click the arrow down icon next to the Customize button. Then, choose Backup. A pop-up box appears. It says that download a backup of your theme so you don't lose any changes you have made. Heads up, some gadgets may not be backed up. If you're aware of it, click Download. You've successfully downloaded your backup file. It may be the case you got error message or going something wrong while modifying your Blogger theme. Now, if you have a complete backup of your Blogger blog theme, you can easily restore the previous theme to its original state before editing or customizing. To restore your previous theme, click the arrow down icon once more and choose Restore this time. A pop-up box appears and then click Upload. Select the ZML file and then wait for the theme to be restored. You have now successfully restored your previous theme. This awesome carousel features automatic display a list of latest posts, mobile responsive, thumbnail, star rating, description or summary, category or label. These include type of series, genres, status. With autoplay and manual dots navigation. Let's install the Owl Carousel widget. Please follow the tutorial. If it's done incorrectly, you can encounter various errors. This is the old slider, which we transformed into this awesome new slider. Don't worry, I've included instructions for where you'll add or enter the code. Once you have the link and code, navigate to your theme menu section. Click on the arrow down icon next to the Customize button and select Edit HTML to open the page's HTML editor. Now, let's copy the code. Paste the code before closing skin tag or closing style tag. Then, you must manually select all of it by dragging your mouse over it. Press Ctrl-C to copy the code. Find the skin or style tag. To find this tag, just click anywhere and press Ctrl-F or Command-F. Then, type this /b:/skin or /style tag and enter. Once you've found it, paste the CSS code above or before the closing tag. I don't recommend adding space, but I need to do it so you know where to put the code correctly. You have the option of changing your preferred genre. For instance, I renamed this genre sports to reincarnation. These genres will be displayed on the slider. Next, paste the JS and jQuery code before the closing head tag. Manually select all of it by dragging your mouse over it. Then, press Ctrl-C to copy the code. Click anywhere and press Ctrl-F or Command-F, then type /head tag and enter. Once you've found it, paste the code above or before the closing head tag. Okay, let's add some space and press Ctrl-V to paste the code. Next, do the same, add the following JS code and paste it above or before the closing body tag. Manually select all the code and then press Ctrl-C to copy the code. Click anywhere, press Ctrl-F or Command-F and search for the /body tag. Once you've found it, paste it above or before the closing body tag. Press Ctrl-V to paste the code. To save the changes, click the Save icon at the top right-hand corner. Now, let's add the widget. Go back to your Blogger dashboard. In the left menu, click Layout. Once the page opens, displays a list of gadgets on the right side of the page. Click the area you want to modify. Since my theme has already existing slider, I will just click this and then paste the HTML code here. By the way, if you're wondering what theme I'm using, it's Zeus Manga. Return to the code. You will see the name Layout Gadget. To copy the code, simply drag your mouse and press Ctrl-C. Press Ctrl-F to select all of the code and Ctrl-V to paste the HTML code. Series is the main label post. So, to show posts from a specific label, simply replace the series with your label. The 5 here is the number of posts. The slider will only show 5 manga series. I don't recommend displaying more than 5 posts to avoid your Blogger page loading slowly. If there are no changes, then click Save. If you don't have existing slider, click the Add Gadget. A pop-up box with options will appear. Select HTML or JS option. Type a name for the widget in the title input box. I recommend you named it Slider. It helps you identify the widget right away. Then in the content, paste the HTML code you copied. Finally, click Save. Once you save changes, click View Blog or go to your Blogger website to see the widget as it appears on your blog page. This is how your new slider appears. As you can see, the description or excerpts are not displayed. To show or display the content description, return to the code. You will see the title post. To copy the code, simply drag your mouse over it and press Ctrl-C. Return to your Blogger dashboard, navigate to your post section. Select one of your posts. Then paste the code before your description or synopsis. Don't forget add the closing division tag after your description. Finally, click the update button to save changes. This must be done for each post. Simply repeat what we did before and don't forget to include the closing division tag. Then, go to your Blogger website and reload the page. As you can see, the manga series summary is displayed. If you want to blur this background, go to Theme section, click on the arrow down icon and select Edit HTML. Search this code a .slider-image and change the blur intensity. For example, I will adjust it to 30 pixels. After customizing everything, click on the save icon. You have now successfully blurred the image's background. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to be notified of future videos.